So it's going to become even inevitable to change to this way of farming. And
Wow.
also with gardening, I see it far too often. Like I had a client the other day that asked us to come to their garden, big property, and they were gardening and maintaining the property in a certain way. But for example, what they were doing is what each year in their garden they would remove all the leaves. So the leaves from the trees fall down, and in autumn they would get them out and get them to like a composting center just out of their property.
Right.
And doing that for 30, 40 years,
Wow.
the trees started to die because as in the ecosystem of trees, the leaves are super important because they actually feed the leaves feed the trees. So it's like a closed circle. So if
Okay.
you remove the leaves each and every year, your
Mhm.
trees are gonna die. And this system it worked for quite a while. But now if you have like a super dry summer or a super rainy spring like this year, then the trees are gonna suffer and